Hey folks, today's a good day. Actually, it's a great day because my brother Mark came to visit me.
Yes, I did.
What do you want to do today?
I'm gonna make some sausage.
Me too.
Let's have a sausage party.
Well, a sausage party it is. These are the Polish sausage that have been hanging out in the fridge all night. I'm gonna put them on the smoker now and cook these up to about 155. So, got some Polish sausage to put on the grill for probably 3 hours or so.
He's done this before.
Not with these racks. This is the first time I'm using these racks. And Patty plans to use these same racks for Christmas cookies.
Oh, ho, ho. That's good.
We'll take these off when they hit about 155.
Sweet. I can't wait.
So Mark, what kind of sausage are you making today?
I am making Showdown Bratwurst.
Sheboygan brats.
Showdown Brats from PS Seasonings. They sent a free sample of Prime Time, which is a beef seasoning.
Mm-hmm.
And my gosh, it is so good. It makes any hunk of beef you have taste just like it's at a restaurant, a fine restaurant.
Those are looking like the right size here.
Hey, I try to please here. I hope that others are cut small enough. Haven't done sausage making since Dad. It's been a long time.
Right now we're just coating it and then we're gonna grind it with the seasoning on.
And mix it some more.
Yep, mix it a lot more afterwards. You're not gonna like how much we have to mix it after we grind it.
You don't think so? Mixing. Sprinkle. I like meat. I am a meat eater.
Here's some stock I made from a pork butt bone. Need to add that to the meat. Maybe about a cup worth.
All right.
Now, next 6 minutes, stir, mix, get some sweat in there.
Oh no, you need more salt, huh?
Need a little more salt.
A little more salt. I tell you what, it smells great.
This is a step I don't think Dad ever did.
No.
Mixing the meat afterwards to do the protein extraction to make sure all the meat binds well in the casing.
No, Dad used to like grind it right into the casing.
Yeah. Well, Mark did an incredible job mixing this up. We have a little test patty that we're going to try, but I have a feeling no matter what it tastes like, we're going to just stuff them sausages. Interesting.
That looks like hog guts.
That it is.
How do you flush them nice with your faucet there?
I showed you. I got a secret.
Oh, there's a secret.
Yes.
I can't wait to hear the secret. That's why I came to learn from my little baby brother.
Time to test your Polish sausage.
Let's hope it's good. No, brats. Sheboygan brats.
It's brats, you're right.
Mm-hmm. That's good brats.
You got a good sausage.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. Scapula.
Mark came with his pork butt already cubed up.
Pretty good.
I don't think I mentioned what I'm going to be making in today's sausage making party. I'm going to actually be making some fresh Polish sausage from PS Seasoning. The only Polish sausage I've made in the past is my dad's recipe, and it's pretty darn good. So I'm going to see how this compares to my dad's historic Polish sausage recipe. And it looks like I have about 8.5 pounds of pork butt all cubed up. That is soon going to be turned into hopefully some really good fresh Polish sausage. Speaking of Polish sausage, let's go check on how our smoked kielbasa is doing. Let's see, we are currently sitting at 102 degrees. Oh, look at those colors.
The color is getting beautiful.
Isn't that amazing how that changes there? I think I'm going to be flipping the top to the bottom and the bottom to the top to
Sounds good.
even it out a bit. Boy, the ones on top got a lot more
Yeah.
smoky than the bottom ones.
Yeah.
Or a lot more, not smoky, but done looking.
Well, redder.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd say your brats are the perfect size. I mean, yours Polish are the perfect size.
Multiple trees hanging over this way. So I just got done a few weeks when we were in Poland. They got done. Then they came out this week to finish the oaks because I guess the oaks you can't do during the summer. What am I doing, Mark?
You're putting them back, Rob. What are you doing?
I guess I can't talk and do anything at the same time.
That's my little brother. He had them all on the rack, just about. Now, and then he took them all off while he's telling me about his trees.
Dang. So smoky.
Shooting for a certain temperature?
155 degrees.
All right.
At that point, the pork will be cooked because of the cure. These things will be done. Take some warm water. Let them go through there. Get any remaining salt out of there or anything else that might be left. But you know, I think they process these pretty darn good.
I've eaten a lot of things because of the meat eaters.
Have you tried the back of an eyeball yet?
No, I'm not going to do that. That tastes like bread. Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
No. You just dug out that caribou's eye and you're going to eat the fat off the back? No. That's not right. That's incorrect. Don't do that.
How many times do you give it? Like I did usually 2 or 3. Like I said, most of these are usually
They're pretty clean.
they're very clean. First, we are going to stuff the bratwurst. This is Mark's first time stuffing a bratwurst. This is going to be good.
Yeah.
We're going to have some nice firm bratwurst. There you
That's
go.
a little bit of water.
A little bit of water.
A little bit of water. Put it on.
Yep. Oh, you are really good at that movement.
Yeah.
Yep. Now I'm not going to stuff these tight at all because then when we're doing the linking,
Yeah.
we can control how much is in each link. I wish I had 2 people to do this all the time.
Well, you know, this isn't a grocery store.
It's not. It's amazing when you look at the amount of sausages they have in grocery stores.
Yes,
It's like there's machinery at work there.
there has to be. There has to be some kind of machine that pinches them and spins them or whatever it does.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, I think you're going to have a good amount of bratwurst. There's a lot of people out there in this business.
Mm-hmm.
All the little mom and pop butcher shops around the
Oh,
whole
yeah.
world.
Yeah, there's little places that, you know, do the custom.
I would say all of those are on the tiny side. The tiny yet girthy side.
Yes, that's what I did. Because it was so girthy, I said, I'll make them a little smaller. Wow.
Okay.
Look at that bowl of sausage.
What do you got there, Mark?
I got 12.5 pounds of bratwurst
Holy cow.
that my little brother helped me make using all of his expensive equipment. This
Well,
was fun.
We're going to have to taste these.
You're shooting for 119 of this wonderful Polish sausage seasoning from PS Spices.
Been mixing this now for a bunch of minutes and it's pretty darn sticky. This is going to be some good fresh Polish sausage, I hope. Did a little test patty of the Polish sausage. What do you think, Mark?
Oh my God, is that good? That has got so much flavor. I love it.
Here we go. Oh, Mark, you're right.
Yeah.
Wow, Mark, we had a good day of work here.
Rob, I had a really good day.
You did. We're not at the end of the video yet, though. So.
Okay. Oh, that's the line.
That's the end, yeah. So, I made an 8.5 pound batch of fresh Polish sausage, and what do you have there?
12.5 pounds of fresh brats.
Whoa. We are going to throw some of these on the grill, along with some of that smoked kielbasa. Give them a little taste test.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Those look amazing. I'm going to take a couple of these off and put them on the grill. We're going to try these along with the Polish sausage and the brat. We have the little stubby brats here that Mark made. My long Polish right here. And a couple of smoked kielbasa. A good day's worth of work. What do we have here, Mark?
We have a smoked Polish sausage, we have a fresh Polish sausage, and a stubby bratwurst.
They all look great. Are you ready to taste these things?
Yes.
Which first?
I'm going with the Polish.
Okay. This is the smoked Polish.
Smoked Polish.
Oh, nice color.
That is good.
It is so hot. Ooh.
I just got off the grill. I like the crispiness of it.
It is so good. Now the fresh Polish.
Fresh Polish. I know this is going to be good because we tasted that patty.
Yeah. See if it turned out any different.
I think it's actually better than that patty was.
I'm looking forward to Mr. Stubby.
Stubby brats. There we go. It's a bratwurst. It's quite fat though.
It is. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers.
The skin's a little tough.
The casing was a thick casing on this one.
Yeah.
But I think it better than the patty was too. And
Yeah.
The patty was great.
It's got that Sheboygan brat flavor. Wow.
Yeah. It is good.
Well, I must say, I had a really good day with my brother, Mark. I hope you had a good day.
I had a really good day with my brother Rob.
We made some really good sausages, and we finally proved that Mark's sausages are stubbier than mine.
Ah, yes. My sausage is definitely stubbier. Not as long.
As always, we had a really good day. We hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.
Next time.